My bike just does that. Fuel pump's going in. Should have peed at that gas station though, man. About 30 more minutes arriving for my next stop. Oh my god, my roommate and I, we play Valheim together. Friends from Tennessee online. And when he unlocked the like stats and stuff, man, he crafted that fireball on. Just like a wizard. Just every time you hear him, just fireball, fireball. Thank you for the fireballs. It's very helpful. Alright. Hear my fuel pump right now, just like hissing at me. Does not sound healthy. But you know, bike hasn't died on me yet, so man. This thing, beautiful for that. You have like an hour drive mixed between, you know, a little bit of freeway, back road, traverse those nice twisties pretty well. It's like, it would be a total spine crusher on this bike if I haven't had the suspension fully maxed out. Like, I got it set to the max weight rating for this bike, and that is what key of making it comfortable. The biggest complaint I've heard about this bike is like usually is the comfort. It's like, oh, my back, oh, I can't do the long rides. And they went to an aftermarket seat like Saddleman, and that fixed it for them, getting a new seat. Other people went like the whole way and got new suspension. I found out that, I don't know, just maxing out the suspension was the real trick right there. My favorite thing about this bike, easily accessible torque. This guy gets me around everywhere else because I just can't carry everything on this bike to work. If I had like a Pan America, then I could maybe pull it off, but I don't. Which I am thinking of trading in. I wish I had boxes and space, and good racks that you can get for this bike are just not optimal for